Welcome to part 6 of our caption journey, text styles and fonts, where we'll help you become a master of text and captions in CapCut. Today is episode number 1, adding text in CapCut. Let's dive right in. Have you ever watched a video where text pops up perfectly? Giving context, highlighting points, or making the video easier to follow. Today I'll show you how to add text in CapCut step by step. Even if you've never done it before, by the end you lines know the basics and the best practices to make your text look clean and professional. Let's get started. Oh, and before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so more creators can learn with us. Now let's do this. Step 1. Import your video. Start by importing the video you want to edit. We'll add text directly on top of this clip. Step 2. Add text. Tap on text, then select Add Text. Type your message, for example, "Welcome to my channel." Step 3. Position the text. You can drag the text anywhere on the screen. A good rule is to keep it at the top or bottom so it doesn't block the main visuals. Avoid covering faces or key visuals. Step 4. Adjust size and duration. Pinch to resize the text and adjust the duration on the timeline to control how long it stays on screen. Step 5. Best practices for beginners. Keep text short and clear, max 5 to 7 words. Use simple fonts for easy reading and stick to high contrast colors like text on dark backgrounds or vice versa. Step 6. Quick recap. Add text, place it in a clear spot, resize and set duration. Keep it short, clear, and easy to read. And that's how you add text in CapCut. Simple and effective. Now you know the basics of adding text in CapCut. In the next episode, we'll explore text styles and fonts, making words stand out, where we'll dress up your text so it looks stylish and professional. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this tutorial, and drop a comment below. Do you prefer simple, clean text or bold, colorful text? Keep rocking and stay tuned for more updates. Bye for now. This has been your host. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips and tricks. And if you're eager to level up your editing game even further, consider joining our community for exclusive tutorials and live Q&A sessions. Thanks for watching and happy editing.